Meet Sam. Sam works hard and has a good job. He has money in the bank. Sam loves his wife Samantha. Now Sam wants to buy a home. He was so excited. Then he made an offer before he was approved for a mortgage loan. Sam didn't know better, but the seller noticed that Sam wasn't approved and said, "I'll think about it." And another buyer bought the house. Samantha is not happy with Sam and suggested he spend the night here until he gets a mortgage approval. Sam knew Samantha was right. He contacted his mortgage professional, applied, and was approved. Sam and Samantha found a better house and negotiated a great price. Now Samantha is happy. And Sam is happy. Back where he belongs. The moral of the story is, don't be a Sam, be smart, pre-approved.